Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I might have to take these off because of the glare. These are my prescriptions. They dead ass look like the other ones though, right? But these are my prescriptions. I'm trying to get used to wearing them because you know girl's hot. But listen, so this is my Walmart midweek for you guys. So I only need 10 offers for $5, and then I also have this championship cash bonus, which is $1 for one offer. So I'm only gonna do the 11. Well, I'm only gonna do the 10 that I need today. So this should be stupid easy. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and all that jazz. What do I want to say as far as today? I don't feel like I have anything to say. Your girl's wearing jeans today, look. Joseph was like, wow, I haven't seen you wear jeans in a minute. That's because your girl is a legging girl. And if y'all know what I mean by that, then y'all know what I mean by that. Like, leggings are life. Like, I go to the gym, I wear leggings, I come home, I shower, and I put leggings back on again. Like, that's my life. I probably got a gazillion pairs of leggings, and I keep buying more. Why? Because I love leggings. I probably have enough jeans I could count on probably 2 hands. Barely 2 hands, but I have so many freaking leggings, as I had to take those off. So for I did post a video getting back into tracking my spending, and it's crazy because I haven't been buying coupons or IPs or anything. I did start buying some I started buying some this month, and now I feel like I'm like back into buying IPs, but not a lot. Like, I'm not buying insert coupons. So I did get a couple sets. I got some more of the Dons, and I got some of the sparkling ice, because I'm trying to switch over to sparkling ice and get out of drinking soda. And so I thought I would get the IPs. It's $1 off. They're $108 at Walmart. So I'm gonna see if this coupon is gonna scan. If it does, then your girl's just gonna go ham, because why not? $1.08, so we only pay 8 cents, which is awesome, right? So I'm gonna use these. I think I still have some of the body armor ones as well that I'm gonna see if they happen to restock yet. Yeah, they're right here. I'm gonna see if they restocked on that. So I'll be using these IPs. Other than that, yeah, those are the only coupons I'll be using for today. Other than that, I said that twice, didn't I? That was weird, yeah. So we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab this week. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching. All right, guys, so the first deal is gonna be on the Best Foods mayo. It is priced at $5.98. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Swagbucks, and then I still have an offer on Fetch Your Word for $2 as well, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, you might still have the offer on Shop Me More Relax. I've already done those already. Better yet, I have to get the vegan one, because the offer on Fetch Your Word is only for the vegan one, so that one is priced at $4.38. I'm getting back $2 on Fetch, $2 on Swagbucks would make this only 38 cents. So this next deal is going to be on the sparkling ice. They are priced at $1.08. I'm crossing my fingers, y'all. My fingers and my toes. And I'm hoping that this IP is going to work. I'll pop up who I got this IP from. I ordered some this morning. And I got them super quick. And so, actually, you know, I'll pop up both of the IP phrases that I do get coupons from if I need to. And so hopefully it works. It's $1 off, so it'd make it only 8 cents. And it's crazy, I just bought some of these from Food for Less yesterday for $1. So if it works here, I'm pretty sure it'll work there too, and I'll probably order more. And so hopefully it works. I'll let you guys know. So this next deal is gonna be on the Glade warmer. It's on the single count. It's priced at $178. This pop up on Ibotta today as a freebie. You're gonna get that back, making this absolutely free. Now the offer is also available for Walmart Cash too, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab another one on a second transaction, making that one also free. Next up is the Dawn. It's priced at $2.84. I've been using this $3 coupon right here from the P&G website. I've gotten mine from my IP Ferry. It's been scanning fine for me. Well, they do have to approve it because it's more than the price of the item. And so you'll pay nothing out of pocket and then get back 80 cents on Fetch Your Word, making this an 80-cent moneymaker. Happy Valentine's Day. This could be for your boo. Your boo thing. Make today special. Make it super extra special. You know, safely. So this deal is on the Durex. All right. They are priced at $6.36 for the 12 count. you know, if you're in for a long night. Let me shut up. So you're gonna grab one. Getting back $3 on Ibotta, $3 on Shopkick, $3 on Swagbucks. It'll make it a $2.64 moneymaker, which is awesome, right? Now, if you need a little, you know, lube, there's this one here. It is the cherry flavored one. Price at $7.96. Getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopkick, 2 on Swagbucks. It makes that a cost of $1.96. But basically, that's gonna make both of these absolutely free, plus a 68-cent moneymaker, and you'll have a really awesome night. You know, for Valentine's Day. All right. So next up is the soft soap, priced at $4.97. You're gonna grab 2, you'll pay $9.94, getting back 4 for Walmart cash, unless you've done it on Ibotta already, and then 4 for Shopkick, 3 for Swagbucks, making them both free plus a $1.06 moneymaker. Alright, so next up is the Dove body wash. It's priced at $7.32, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopkick, 2 on Swagbucks, making this only $1.32. Alright guys, so this next deal is on the Dove shampoo. It's priced at $3.98. Now I was gonna grab this one. Getting back 2 on Alexa, getting back 2 on Swagbucks, 300 kicks, which is $1.20 on Shopkick, would make that like a $1.22 moneymaker. But I saw this one here, the hair therapy one, which was up here for $3. So getting this one would actually end up making this a $2.20 moneymaker, which is really cool. Now I wanted to mention something really quick. A lot of the stuff is on clearance. Like, it looks like they're clearancing out a lot of the whole blends, and what else, they are clearancing out some of the herbal essence as well, and it looks like some of the Pantene as well. So definitely check your hair care aisle. So next up is the Dove deodorant. I'm grabbing the even tone ones. They're priced at $7.48, getting back $3 on Ibotta, $2 on, I want to say, Shopkick, and then $2 on Swagbucks, making this a 52-cent moneymaker. Alright, so we're grabbing the U by Kotex again, priced at $3.30, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Alexa, and $1 on inbox dollars, making that only 30 cents. Alright, so it looks like I'm grabbing the last Robitussin. It is priced at $5.98 for the 20 counts. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Shopkick and $2 on Swagbucks, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Then, of course, we're going to grab the Mucinex again, priced at $7.28. I'm getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Alexa, and 2 on Swagbucks, making this a $1.28. So this last deal is going to be on the Biofreeze. It's on the night gel. It's priced at $13.22. I did this deal before, and it was 2 different offers on Shopkick. I did get them both. I also have 2 offers on Alexa as well, so I'm hoping that I get those as well. So we'll pay $13.22, get back 3 on Ibotta. Hopefully we'll get back the $7 on Alexa, and then $4 on inbox dollars, making this a 78-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. So you see the sparkling ice, so you know the coupon worked. I did go to a regular cashier. I tried it in self-checkout, and it has to be, I don't want to say, it has to be approved, but not by CSM. So the regular cashier over there can just approve it. But I went ahead and went to a regular register because I had to use those Dons. And the cashier that was in self-checkout today, she always be giving me issues when using coupons in self-checkout, because she swears that they don't take coupons in self-checkout, and I be telling her they do. So I don't even fret and frat with her no more. I just take my coupons to regular register, which I had to for the Don anyways. And so coupon's still working for that. So I definitely will be ordering more of the sparkling ice IPs. I want to see if it'll work at Food for Less, because they're only $1 there. But I will be ordering more of those and just pick up some here and there. I'll definitely be ordering more of the Dawn as long as that one is still available. It's just that with the Dawn coupon, since it's a PNG, it's only good for 24 hours. So if I order it today, I have to use them tomorrow. So I ordered these yesterday, and I used them all today. All right, other than that, I think those are the only coupons that I had today. Worked out perfectly fine. Now, really quick with the Dove. The Dove did not scan for me on Shopkick, and it's in review on, I want to say, Swagbucks. So I have to put a ticket in as far as, yeah, that. For the Biofreeze, it only worked for one of the offers on Ibotta. So they have since fixed it. It's not glitching with 2 offers anymore. And I did get back both offers for Alexa as well. I got them for Shopkick and I got them for Alexa. Now for the soft soap, it didn't go straight through for Walmart Cash. I did get it back for the warmer, but not the soft soap. So I have to contact support. Last time I did, they created me my account, which was really cool. So if it hasn't hit yet, I'm hoping that, you know, we have just as good an experience as I did last time with that. Other than that, that's basically it. I did 9 offers for Ibotta because the Biofreeze only counted for 1. So I did redeem for a Walmart gift card, which counted. And I did hit my bonus. Well, both bonuses, the $5 one and then the $1 one. All right, so everything here retails $100.42. We had $22 in coupons, brought the out-of-pocket down to $78.42. And then we walk away with $25.78 from my Ibotta. Swagbucks is $16, and I believe the Dove deodorant is still in review. Alexa was $15. Shopmium is $15. The Dove is, I have to put a ticket in for that. Inbox dollars was $9. Walmart Cash should be $5.78. Again, I'll have to contact support for that. Fetch Reward is $5.20. Now I did have to put, I did have to have my receipts corrected for the Dawn. So yeah, and I think I did last time as well. So that should be $5.20. Shopkick was $3. Now, when I submitted the receipt for the Dove, it was 400 kicks, but then when the receipt, after I submitted it, it was 300. So I'm gonna put a ticket in and have that corrected, but that should be $3. Brand Club was $145, which I forgot I did have a survey for the Biofreeze, so it makes that a nice little moneymaker. So even though it was $96.21 in rebates, it makes everything you see here free plus a $17.79 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. Now my tax was $8.20, so even after tax, we still make $8.59, which is really, really awesome. What did I want to mention? Really quick, with my last haul with the Revlon, I totally forgot that I have an offer on Fetch Reward for, I think it's spend 15, get back 4 for the Revlon. So I did get back $4 that I'm going to add to that haul. And then I'm tracking for another $4, and I only have to spend $2 more. Other than that, you guys, happy Valentine's Day. Josiah, what's your emoji bug? I think he said a heart. Yeah. What? Oh, a heart. Yeah. A heart emoji. Heart emojis all through the comments for Valentine's Day. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.